वेलकम गाइस, स्वागत है आज आपका मेरे एक वीडियो सेशन के अंदर। आज मैं आपको प्यारी सी गुड़िया काव्या सिंह से मिलवाने वाला हूँ। काव्या मेरी स्टूडेंट है जो मुझसे इंग्लिश की ट्रेनिंग ले रही हैं। और काव्या जब मेरे पास आई थी फर्स्ट डे मीटिंग में, फर्स्ट डे जब मुझसे मिलने आई थी अपनी मम्मा के साथ में, तो काव्या आपकी स्थिति क्या थी? लाइक यू, व्हाट वाज योर परफॉर्मेंस, लाइक व्हाट वाज योर कंडीशन?
Sir, I was not able to speak English. I used to speak Ramshaken and I was not able to frame sentences.
ओके, एंड नाउ?
Sir, now I can speak English confidently and fluently.
ओके, सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, स्पीक योर इंट्रोडक्शन।
My name is Kavya Singh. I hail from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my 6th class in Shubhani Niketan Public School. Currently, I am in 7th class. My father, Mr. Bachu Singh, and he is a civil engineer. My mother, Mrs. Priyanka Chaudhary, and she is a teacher. I have a younger brother. If I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of playing and dancing. I have a dream to witness myself as an IAS officer. I think that's all about me. Thanks for listening to me so carefully.
Kavya, how did you come to know about the British School of English?
One day my father told me that English is very important. I want you to speak English. Then I met sir. The moment I met sir, I was flabbergasted to see the way he presented everything to me. After that I joined this institute.
काव्या, क्या बनना चाहती हो लाइफ में बेटा?
Sir, I want to become an IAS officer in my life.
Why?
Sir, because I want to eradicate corruption from India.
You want to eradicate corruption from India? So what's the strategy? How will you become like?
Sir, I have planned that first I will do 10th until, then I will take BA and I will focus on it. After then I will join a coaching for my pre-exams and I will focus on it. After then I qualify it. After then I will make notes and I will do everything for main exams. After then I will give mains exams and I will give the interview. Here I am good to go.
Very nice. Kavya, happy Holi first of all.
Happy Holi, sir.
So how was it Holi?
Sir, it was top notch.
Could you tell our viewers how you celebrated that day?
Sir, I woke up at daybreak, then I went to washroom and got freshened. After then I brushed my teeth and took bath. After taking bath, I took money from my father and I brought Holi. Then I brought colors on Holi. After then that time my brother was sleeping. Then I came back my home and I applied little bit color to my brother. After then he started crying and then he took his breakfast. After then I said to my mother that what are you preparing? Then she said that I am preparing sweets for us. Then I said that can I play Holi with my cousins? Then she said yeah, you can play but play on terrace. Then I played Holi with my cousins on terrace. Then I got tired. After then I took bath and then I took lunch. After then I took siesta for 2-3 hours. After then I woke up. Then I saw my parents playing Holi. Then I felt like playing Holi. Then I started playing Holi. After then we clicked pictures, we ate sweets. After then my mother started preparing that dinner for us. After then I was playing with my brothers and sisters. Then I took my dinner. Finally I hit the bed.
Okay, so that was your Holi schedule.
Yeah, sir.
What you did on Holi?
Yeah, sir.
Right. So how you doing, Kavya?
Sir, I'm phenomenal. About you?
Absolutely amazing. So Kavya, it's been like you didn't come for like 15 to 20 days, I guess, or a month. You didn't come.
Yeah,
Why?
sir. Sir, but because I was little busy in my exams.
How was your exam, beta?
Sir, exam was spectacular.
They were spectacular.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं ये काव्या सिंह है. शी इज इन 7th क्लास और भवानी निकेतन स्कूल के अंदर है. राइट. अब आप जानते हैं ये जिस स्कूल से मेरे पास में, ये स्कूल अमूमन सारे स्कूलों की हालत यही है, नाम के इंग्लिश मीडियम है और बट इंग्लिश का दूर दूर तक कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बच्चे मेरे पास में आते हैं. सो आप कॉन्फिडेंस देखिए इस बच्ची का. अगर आप भी इन्हीं की तरह अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, पानी की तरह इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, सो यू कैन ज्वाइन द ब्रिटिश स्कूल ऑफ इंग्लिश. काव्या, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. टेल द 3 qualities of the British School of English to our viewers.
First, that Hindi is strictly prohibited. You have to speak only English. There is no holiday. Every single day you
Second
will...
is?
Second is there is no holiday. Every single day you will be taught. Third is sir is very strict. When it comes to training, there is no if, no but.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Thank you, sir.
What can we use instead of phenomenal, wonderful?
Sir, we can use these words for good, like
and there is any good,
wonderful,
any big word which you have been taught?
Sir.
Speak up.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious means shandar.
Absolutely phenomenal. Love you, beta. God bless you.